What's up, everyone? My name is Alan, founder and consultant at Fornow Marketing, and welcome to day 13 of Braze-mas 2023. Before we get started, if you have any questions, whether you are currently using Braze or considering using Braze, please feel free to reach out. You can find these addresses and more in the YouTube description below. In today's video, we are going to continue talking about the delivery and entry types in Braze. And we actually had a question for Braze at the end of our video yesterday, which was, what happens when we schedule a monthly recurring campaign to start on January 31st? Then what happens when it's time to send at the end of February? According to the Braze power user Ray, Braze will send this campaign at the end of the month. So if the monthly recurring message starts on January 31st, then it will send on the last day of February, which is the 28th or 29th, on the 31st of March, and then the last day of April, which is the 30th, and so on. And Ray was able to confirm this with the Braze team, but of course, if you do end up launching a monthly recurring campaign with this exact same use case, please reach out to Braze to be 1000% sure. But until then, thank you, Ray. And with that, let's pick up where we left off. So we finished yesterday's video with an exploration of send at a designated time from a campaign builder. Let's jump over to a canvas builder and do a quick comparison. So although there is a small UI change between the campaign builder here and the canvas builder here, your options are actually exactly the same. So we have frequency, we have start time, we have start date, the local time zone checkbox, and we also have the once, the daily, the weekly, and then the monthly options with the same exact additional options as well. And actually, it looks like on the canvas builder, they do specify the time zone for the next send time if the local time zone isn't checked, which isn't actually in the campaign builder. So that's nice that it's at least highlighted in here. Whereas the campaign builder does not mention the time zone for the next send time. And we are back on the campaign builder page and moving on to the third option for scheduled campaigns, which is intelligent timing. And intelligent timing is one of Braze's Sage AI features under their intelligence suite. And according to their documentation, Braze calculates the optimal send time based on a statistical analysis of your users' past interactions with your app and their interactions with each messaging channel. And even with intelligent timing, we have very similar options as send at a designated time. So we still have the send frequency of once, daily, weekly, and monthly, as well as the start date for each of these options. There are a few new options here. So first we have the only send messages within specific hours, where we can set a window for the intelligent timing delivery time. And this is done in the user's local time. And if Braze's optimal time falls outside of this window, then users will receive the message at the edge of the window closest to the optimal time. So if the user's optimal message falls outside of our 8 a.m. to 12 a.m. window, then it will send at either 8 a.m. or 12 a.m., whichever one is closer to the optimal time. We also have some options for when the profile does not have enough data to calculate an optimal time. So the first option is the most popular time to use the app amongst all users. So looking at the rest of the user base and determining when the most popular time is, or you can specify a custom fallback time in the user's time zone, and we can set the time right here. When we select the intelligent timing option, there's this new section that pops up where we can preview the delivery times determined by Braze's AI intelligent timing feature. If we click target users, then it sends us to the target audience page, which is the third page, and requires us to add at least one segment or one filter. So we'll choose all users for now, scroll down and click refresh data. And my dashboard is a bit limited with user data, but here's an example of what this preview looks like. So there's some data around engagement data as well as the most popular app time data. So this is super cool. And one thing to note is that on the Canvas builder, it does not offer the intelligent timing at the entry level. However, you can actually still use intelligent timing, which can be found under the Build Canvas page. And if we go ahead and add a message step and click on messages under delivery settings, is where you can find the intelligent timing option for each Canvas step. It doesn't look like we have the option to set a window, but we do have these two other options. But once again, you will not see the intelligent timing option under entry schedule in the Canvas builder. That's it for day 13. We will finish covering the last remaining bits of the delivery and entry types in our next video. If you have any questions, please share them in the comments. We're happy to help. If you learned something from this video, then please subscribe for more awesome Braze videos in the future. Thanks for watching and see you next time.